Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Apple ID two-factor authentication for privacy protection. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by unlocking your Apple device and navigating to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the screen. Select Password and Security from the menu options. Look for the Two-Factor Authentication section. Tap on Turn on Two-Factor Authentication. You may be prompted to answer your Apple ID security questions. Select Continue to proceed. Next, enter a trusted phone number where you can receive verification codes. You can choose to receive the codes via text message or phone call. Once you've entered your number, tap Next. You will receive a verification code on the chosen device. Input the verification code into the designated field. After entering the code, tap Next again. Now, two-factor authentication is enabled for your Apple ID. You will see a confirmation message on your screen. Remember, every time you sign in to your Apple ID, you will need to verify your identity. This adds an extra layer of protection to your personal information. In the future, if you lose access to your trusted device, make sure you have recovery options set up. This includes setting up security questions and maintaining current contact information. You can modify these trusted numbers or devices anytime through the same Password and Security section. By following these steps, you have successfully authorized two-factor authentication for your Apple ID. This will significantly enhance your privacy protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.